Kieran. Today we'll be recreating this logo today and showing you how to make this logo from scratch. Okay? So I'm just going to open a new document to show you. You always want to landscape to make sure it's A4 and everything. Then we can create. So now we got everything here, okay? Well, what I want you to do, if you're following on, is get a square as a draw a square like this. Then you can do all these different things. I want you to fill blue. Maybe the lighter blue. That one. Then I'm going to do for that here. Okay. Now I want to get a circle. So I do where it's do the right click, left click even. Do get a collapse tool. Then when you change the colour, make sure that's a red. Then go back onto that and we're going to make that bigger. That's done. Don't mean to make that sound like quickly. It's easy to make quick mistakes. And what you want to do is go back to the rectangle again. We're going to go and break that. That's red, but we're going to change that to white. So that. So just have a look. Let's go quickly and have a look at what we've done so far. And so we've got the circle, the main bit of the camera. I just moved like that. That there, the little flash, as people like to call it. Next, we're going to do the button on the top. Okay. So we're going to get that rectangle. I'm going to make that black. I did the wrong thing for that one. Yeah. Then now you want a rounded rectangle tool. I'm going to make that smaller, but just for a minute. See, we'll just need to edit up a bit long, a bit long. Now we can just add some text. Okay, so I'm gonna add some text. Now we're gonna do is add some text. Dot. And we're gonna color that green. And then we're gonna centralize it. And that's the video done for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.